Next, let us see question number 9. Find, first part of the question is, the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. So, the height and radius, that is diameter is given, convert into radius first. We will have R and H value, then CSA of that. Finding is very easy for you. That is, what is the formula? 2 pi R. So, 9th one, first part is homework that you have to try to do by yourself. I will teach you the second part. Okay. So, second part of the question with the same measurement only we have to do the second part. So, you see the second part. What is the second part of the question? How much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? So, the question is, how much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? So, first we must find out the TSA of this one. Okay. So, what is the formula for TSA of cylinder? 2 pi R into H plus R. Substitute our R value and H value, we will get the TSA. Okay. After finding the TSA, we must consider that the actual area of the steel used to be X meter square. It is an unknown value that only we have to find out. For that, you must consider the actual area of the steel used as X meter square. Okay. In this question, they are given 1 by 12 of the actual steel used was wasted. Okay. So, since 1 by 12 of the actual steel used was wasted, the area of steel which has gone into tank is what? 1 minus of 1 by 12, isn't it? That is 11 by 12 of X value. Okay. The area of steel which has gone into the tank is 11 by 12 of the X value. Actual area of the steel used, isn't it? Actual area of the steel used, that X value we must find out. For that, this 11 by 12 of X is given as the total surface area. That is, after completion we will get the value as 87.12. That we have to equate it. We will get the required answer. So, write children. Second one, TSA equal to 2 pi R into H plus R square unit. Substitute our R value and H value. 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is our R value here? R is 2.1 meter. H plus R. H is 4.5 plus 2.1. That is equal to 2 into 22, 44 into 7 and 21, we can cancel it. 0.37 are 21, isn't it? So, 0.3 into 4.5 plus 2.1, 2 plus 6.6. Okay. After calculating this, you will get 87.12 meter square. Okay. First, for finding the second part of the question, first we must find out the TSA. We got the TSA. Next you write, let the actual area of the steel used be, let the actual area of the steel used be X meter square. Since 1 by 12 of the actual steel used was wasted. Area of steel which has gone into tank, therefore, area of steel which has gone into tank is equal to 11 by 12 of x. This 11 by 12 of x is our total surface area. Okay. So, therefore, by given data, we have to equate these two. That is 11 by 12 of x is equal to 87.12. So, x is equal to 87.12 into 12 divided by 11. So, we can cancel by 11 table. You will get this as 7 11s are 77, 7.92. So 7.92 into 12, 95.04 meter. That will be the x meter square. That will be our x value.